Alright, I'm fully geared up. Today I got a fun one. Word around town is that you can modify these scooters. This is a Varla Eagle One. And apparently, if you mess with the settings, you can make it go faster. I'm on my way to go test that. Fully padded because I do not trust myself on this thing. Let's see how it goes.
Yeah, I'm on my own. I don't need no one.
Oh shit. Damn, this dog should not be running like this. Looks like he's lost. I'm gonna chase this dog. Hey, is that your dog? Yeah. He almost just got hit on the road out there.
Thank you so much, man.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, no problem. That was crazy. Alright, as you can see, I am fully geared up, and I'm gonna start off in the highest mode, mode 3, with the dual motor on. So basically, the strongest you can get stock. Let's see what my 0 to 40 looks like on this. Let's see what we got. Alright, let's do 0 to 20. It doesn't look like I hit 40. 0 to 20, 3.8 seconds. Alright, it kept not working. Ready? I tried to wave to that guy. I'm good, sir. Got the knee guard on, and I got the chest guard on, so that didn't even hurt. Damn, I tried to wave to that guy, lost control. The camera's chilling. Hey, at least I got that on camera, right? Where's my phone? Look at that. Alright, 0 to 20, 4.3 seconds. Damn, I really just wiped out on this thing. It's because I was waving hi to that guy. Took my hand off it. It's over. At least I got it on camera. So of all the times I decided to wear gear, it actually came in handy. Let's go. That really didn't hurt. I cut up my hand a little bit. It's funny, I was wearing a glove on this side. It didn't get cut, obviously, so I'm putting the glove on. The reason I wasn't wearing it was so I could use the phone app. So the last two times were 0 to 20 was 3.8, and then I got 4.2. So let's say 4. That's what 0 to 20 in 4 seconds on the stock Varla with the highest gear dual motor. Now let's modify it a little bit. So I learned about this trick from Gabe Goffin. Go check him out. Use power button, cycle to 12. Put that to 5. Hold down power mode again. That should be stronger. Let's see how it goes. I don't even know if I'm ready for it. So really the lesson learned there is to wear gear and don't wave with one of your hands when you're going like 30 on a scooter. That wasn't a good idea. So apparently this is like the strongest you can make it. I'm not sure if it'll add any top speed, but it should make there be more torque. Let's see. Oh my god. The front wheel got picked off the ground. Oh, it's stronger. It's stronger. Let's see if we got a reading there. Fucking, this app sucks. This app sucks so much it misses every other try. Oh my god. It gets stronger when you do that. Alright, this app better taking that down. Let's see if it got the reading. Alright, that's all I needed. 0 to 20 in 3.1. 3.1. Before I did those changes, I was getting about 4. Let's try again. Let's see what we got. 2.7. Alright, that's all the evidence I needed. Oh, I gotta turn it down. I don't even need to ride that high up. Whoa, it really is stronger. Alright, so there you go. We learned 2 lessons today. You can make the Varla Scooter even stronger than it already is. Did it need to be any stronger? No. But you can make it stronger. And the second lesson is to not wave to strangers when you're going fast on a scooter. That did not end well. But I'm remarkably unscathed. I gotta say, this is like the first time I've put gear on in a while. And I'm really glad I did. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. As always, appreciate the support. Stay tuned.
Yeah, I'm on my